How to find Walmart promo code. First, you want to open up your browser, and here you want to search for a website called couponfollow.com. So enter that and you're going to be brought to this website. Here you want to click on the search bar and search for Walmart. Here you're going to find lots of Walmart promo codes and coupons. Make sure that they are valid. You can make sure by checking out the date. So now all you have to do is click on the one that you want to use. So here I'm going to click the first one, which is 30% discount at Walmart. So click on the one that you want to use. And once you do that, you're going to find the code like this. Now you can use this coupon code at checkout to get 30% discount on your order. So you can click on copy and then you can simply enter it at checkout, or you can also click on continue to Walmart so that it's going to bring you to the Walmart website. So this is how you find Walmart promo code. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.